Hi, I'm Amy Hart.
And I'm Sam Rason.
And this is our home. Come and have a look round. We're here in the kitchen. Now the kitchen came with the house, so I haven't really had to change anything apart from getting a few new gadgets like an air fryer and an egg poacher because, you know, why poach your eggs in a sauce when you've got a machine that'll do it for you. I do love my drinks trolley though. We do like to host our friends and family. We are hostesses with the mostesses. So I love my drinks trolley. I love wheeling it into the lounge at the end of the night for people to have their nightcap. And yeah, I just really like it because it's grey and white, so it's quite neutral, which means we can add a bit of colour. I do most of the cooking because Sam does most of the cleaning, and the rule in my family home was if you do the cooking, you don't have to do the cleaning. So I always make sure that I start the cooking before Sam finishes work.
That rule doesn't apply here because when I cook, I have to clean as well.
Yeah. This is our fridge. So we are trying to be quite healthy at the moment. So we've got some Jason Vale juices in here. And also, this is my little hack. So I love stodge, right? So when I'm dieting, I buy these Annabelle Carmel kids ready meals because they're like tiny little portions, but they're stodgy. So I absolutely love them. So I buy them.
And she likes...
Go on then.
Gone off avocado.
It's not gone off, is it?
Not for me.
Cut it off.
Give me beetroot juice though.
Yeah, Sam brings all the healthy stuff like kefir and beetroot juice, and I've got a rogue Cadbury's cream egg. This is my dressing room. I absolutely love it here. Sadly, when Sam moved in, I did have to sacrifice 1/2 of a small wardrobe, which is literally all I gave him, and a drawer. But yes, I have probably, some would say too many clothes, but so they fill up all of these. And these are just, at the moment, just my summer clothes, because all my winter clothes are in suitcases back at mum and dad's, because I do like a little switch over every year.
Amy's kindly given me a drawer. Thank you very much.
That's all you need, that's all you need. And then I've obviously got all my handbags and my headbands and my hats. This isn't actually all of them. Again, I've got a whole other cupboard of shoes upstairs because there's no room for shoes in here, obviously. But yeah, some handbags, more wintry ones, are also in the suitcases.
With my clothes.
With your clothes. This is our bedroom.
Yeah.
It's a very comfy bed, isn't it?
Well, yeah, I'm surprised you let me sit on this side. This is your side,
This is my side of the bed, and he wants to swap. But no. But the bed, I was very particular. I had the luxury bed company make my bed for me. And I was like, basically, I want a cloud. So the mattress topper is literally like this on top of it. And then I've got a really big, thick duvet, or we've got now, sorry.
Yeah.
Both of us now.
And it's my duty to make the bed every day. This one never makes the
bed. I don't like it's a waste of my time.
That's what she tells me.
This is my dressing table area. I mean, I use it a lot, but you use it a lot as well.
I'm looking quite vain in the mirror now,
yeah.
aren't I?
You blow dry your hair, don't you?
I do blow dry my hair, yeah.
And then in the ensuite, you like to shave your beard and dye your beard.
Why are you giving away my secrets?
Because everyone needs to know that this isn't natural, darlings.
Oh, whatever.
This is our dining table. I loved this because it was like all marble and bougie, and also my absolute dream always was I wanted armchairs as my dining chairs, because I hate it after a big meal when you've got like just like a normal chair and you want to just like loll about because you're in a food coma. So I always wanted armchairs as my main meal chairs. So I'm a bit obsessed with art since having my own home, and especially Sophie T. So I've got 3 Sophie T's up there, an original, a holographic print and a normal print. And then I've also got a big A3 print that's in the cupboard waiting to be framed. So I'm a bit obsessed. I keep buying them, and I buy them in secret because Sam tells me off.
I didn't even know about that
one. So this is our stage area. This is the reason I bought the house. I literally walked in. I could have had another one over there, but it didn't have a stage, so that's why I bought this house. And it's really nice. It's a real sun trap during the day, and then in the evening it's really nice to have drinks up here with all our friends.
And my space for a coffee in the morning.
Yes. Thanks for looking around our house. We're going to have fish and chips now, so we'll see you later.